Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you the best seeker tracking and room scanning techniques in Mecha Chameleon. So if you're playing as the seeker and want to find hiders fast, just follow along. First, don't just look for colors that seem different. Good hiders can match their colors, so focus on shapes, outlines, and objects that look out of place. Look for weird edges, body shapes, or anything that doesn't match the room. Next, scan the room in sections instead of randomly running around. Start with one area, check walls, furniture, corners, and objects, then move to the next section. This helps you avoid missing hidden players. After that, check common hiding spots, look behind objects, in corners, near shelves, low areas, and places where a player can blend with the environment. You should also check from different angles. A hider may look perfect from one direction but reveal their outline when you move around them. Next, watch for lighting mistakes. Look for strange shadows, reflections, or brightness differences that don't match the nearby objects. And avoid shooting randomly. Take your time and confirm the target first because wasting shots can make it harder to finish the round. Another good technique is to save suspicious area and come back later. If one spot feels strange but you are not sure, clear the rest of the room first and return for a second look. So those are the best seeker tracking and room scanning techniques in Mecha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.